Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to remove your likes from songs on Apple Music. So to do this and to remove the likes or favorite from the songs, we should go to Apple Music. And after that, you can go and look for the songs directly, or to find them in an easy way, go to library, and after that go to playlists, and after that go to favorite songs. And as you can see, those are the favorite songs. So what you can do is click on the three dots next to the song. And as you can see, there is on the top in the middle of the options an option called undo. You have just to click on it, and like that the songs will be removed from the favorite or liked songs on your Apple Music. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.